Unit 8, we're learning about moving from your line to your middle C. So in here, how to get better in finding our ladder instead of counting one by one, you just need to remember left hand words. So I like to use 5 words on the line. I'm using it as animal, and right hand I'm using it as human. So for the left side, start from the first line, which is on the bottom. I would like to use good birds don't fly away, which is G for good, B for birds, D for don't, F for fly, A for away, and that's your middle C. And on the space word, I like to use all cows eat grass, which start from A for all, C for cows, E for eat, G for grass. Same as right hand, your middle C. And on the right side, I would like to use every good boy deserves fruit, which is from E for every, good for G, B for boy, D for deserve, and F for fruit. And on the space just right before your E, which is how use the word face, and how to spell face is F A C E. So magic rhyme for base D, you just need to find your D, which is good birds don't on the D. And now we're gonna play with the teacher's duet as written. Next, we learn to expand our left side from D. Now you go to the C. And then they want you to use number 3 on a joke for you. So we start from C. Ready, set, go. C. Twice go to D. C. D. C. D. C. D. C. 2, 3. Now from the top. G all the way down to D. F all the way down to C. E go down to C together. Now I'll sing, you play. Ready, set, go. Can you name 2 keys that can open doors? 2, 3, 4. There would be a donkey and a monkey. 2, 3, 4. As we already know our C and a D, and now we can completely form our C 5-finger position with your left hands from C all the way up to G, right hand from C all the way up to G. Football game. Let's start from C. Ready, set, go. C to go up to E all the way up to G. C, jump to the top G, go down all the way down to D. Left hand C all the way up to G all the way down to C. Skipping on space. Now play the lower C. I will sing the song and then you play. Ready, set, go. Team A marches up, Team B marches down, Team A no more plays on look at field goal wins the game. Lucy. Next, Octavius the octopus. You learn about moving your left hand. You learn about moving your left hand from middle C to low C. We call it base C. So let's start from middle C. Ready, set, go. C, move to low C. C, twice to low C. From C, go down and up to C, back to base C. Now this C, you use your strong finger, which is middle C. All the way up, one by one, up to middle C, back to your low C. Now I sing the song, you play with me. Ready, set, go. 8 long legs, two small eyes. I'm Octavius the Great. From 3, 1 leg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 long legs. Next song, Copycat, where your right hand as a mother of cat and left hand you copy what the mother say. Let's start from right hand. The top letter is G. So first you analyze. First bar is stepping, second bar is skipping. So we start from the top G, go down, then C, skip to G. Left hand copy. Now second time soft from D, go up, stepping, and down to D. Copy. Back to loud from G, go down, stepping to C, skipping. Same thing left. C, skipping. Now soft D, go up to G. Now E, go down. Okay, copy. When you play with teachers duet accompaniment, you play higher. Grandmother, where your left hand is skipping from the space and then right hand will follow the same melody. We start from left hand, start from G for grandmother. G, 2, skipping, G, 2, skipping, go up to D, 3 times, skip to F, E, all the way up to G. Together, two hands, G, 2, skipping, G, 2, skipping to D, 3 times, skip to F, go down to C accordingly. When you play with teachers duet accompaniment, you play higher.